In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds using Figma AI in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to clean up product photos, profile images, social media graphics, or any design that needs a transparent background without using complicated editing software. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick design tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma Design file and go to the image you want to edit. Click directly on the photo so it's selected. This is important because Figma needs to know exactly which image you want to work on before it can apply the background removal tool. Once the image is selected, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of its smart AI-powered tools and shortcuts. After that, use the search bar and type Remove Background. You should see the Remove Background option appear in the results. Select it, and Figma will begin processing the image automatically. Now just wait a few seconds while the AI removes the background for you. Depending on the image, it may take a moment, but in most cases, the result appears very quickly. Once it's done, your background should be removed and you'll be left with a clean cutout of the image. This makes it much easier to place your subject on top of other designs, colored backgrounds, or transparent layouts. One important thing to keep in mind is that this feature requires a professional plan subscription in Figma. So if you don't see the option available, that may be the reason. If you're on the right plan though, this is a super fast way to edit images without leaving Figma. And that's it. You now know how to remove backgrounds using Figma AI. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.